Cool. So let's start today's session. So first, let me open Appium server. For that, I will go to start button and I'll tap on Appium. So the Appium will start. Appium server will start working. So let me open UI interface of Appium. So let me close this and let me open this also. Yeah. So as I told you in previous class also, the default host will be 0.0.0, which is a local host. Okay. And the port, default port will be 4723. It means, yeah, server will be this one, and the port which is occupied by Appium is 4723. Okay. How to start a server? You have to click on start server. Okay. And if you click on start server, the Appium server will get started. It is saying that Appium REST HTTP interface listener started on this particular server. Okay.
Okay.
Now the question is that let's suppose I will open emulator also. Let me open the emulator in my screen. I'll go to
This Appium server also automatically it's a turn off after shut down the system, or we have to do manually?
no. You have to close it. You have to close this. You have to click on this cross button. It will get shut down.
Okay.
This cross button you have to click.
Okay.
Okay. So for that, what we have to do, we have to go. I will go to this AVD manager. I will open one device. Let me open this Pixel X5. This I can open it here. This one. See, size on this is 9.2, 11 GB, 9.3 GB. The device take a lot of space.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll minimize this and I'll open this part also. Okay, this is my Appium and this is my device. Cool. So for Appium to understand which device I'll be connecting, or which device I have to perform the actions, I have to launch an app, I have to click a button, or any operation we want to do on a particular application. So we need to tell the Appium, yes, please connect to the particular device. So we have to give a device name to the Appium. That is why it will able to connect to the particular device. Okay, for that, what we have to do, see, this is the Appium. Are you able to see this start inspector session?
Yes, sir.
So we have to click on this start inspector session. This search icon you are seeing now. When I will click this, it will open a new window for me. Okay.
Okay.
So as you can see, this is a new window got open. Okay.
Okay.
There are 2-3 tabs. One is custom server, one is browser stack, and one is select a cloud providers. If I'll click here, it is saying that you can select these number of cloud providers. Okay.
Okay.
So what are these? These are the paid tools, paid services which we can take from any of these. If we have a paid account on browser stack, so we can log in, we can provide the details of browser stack in Appium server. So what it will happen, instead of running our script in our local device, it will run in the browser stack.
Okay.
So these emulators, the environment, the Appium server, the SDK tools, everything setup is done in these cloud machines, in this cloud browser stack or in Hobbiton, in Sauce Labs. This all these you are seeing here, na? All the setup is already done in this cloud servers. Just we have to write our script and everything will run on that particular browser, on the particular cloud service, not in our local system. If we give credential of these things. Any doubt?
No.
Okay, but we don't have to give this cloud server credentials because we don't want to take any paid services. Okay, So
Okay.
what we'll do, we have to go to this custom server. Okay. So we have to create a environment for our Appium to perform action on a particular device. For that, we have to give certain desired capabilities. Okay. So
Okay.
what are the desired capabilities? These are the certain capabilities, certain requirements in which Appium can understand, and it will send the command from Appium server to the particular device. Okay, so one of the capabilities is device name. You have to give the device name. Okay, so I have written here device name. I'll give this device name value. That is my device name, but in which device I want to perform the action. Okay, so let me go to tools and
SDK.
Everyday manager.
So
And
device.
here, yeah. So which this is, I am running this one, right? Pixel. For that I can check in here also, in terminal also, using Adb devices. Okay, see, this is my device name. Not this is not, this is my UUID. Now I will tell you my device name. What was my device name? Let me go here. Then I have to, not here, I have to go to the setting. Why this is stopped working for me? This is not clicking. Again I have to close and again I have to open it. This is another device. I will open this one, the last one. But it is showing it is already in. Let me close it again. What happened to this? Let me open some other device then. Let me open this one. Okay. So this is my device name. My device name is Pixel 3 API 28.
28.
Okay. Yeah. So I can also show here also. In you have to go to setting. Where is my setting?
Set down.
Yeah. There. Not clicking anywhere. I'm trying to click, but no, it's not working. Let me close this also. Let me full boot now. So meanwhile, we can check what are the capabilities we have to add. Okay. So for this, I'll be going here and I have noted down that capabilities part.
Demo class you showed, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
that
yeah. Those capabilities will be there. Let me, it is not. Yeah, I think these are. So we have to give the device name. This is a device name.
UUID.
You have to give the UUID,
Platform name, platform version, add
app
package,
package, and app activity.
DAC.
All right. So uh, let me go to the setting of this. It will work, I guess. Okay, it is not working. Why? No problem. I can take the device name from here itself. So as you can see, this is a device name. What I will
Okay.
go, I will edit it, and I will go copy this one. Okay. So this is my
Okay.
device name. So I'll be putting my device name in my Appium. Okay. This is my device name. So you can see this is a JSON representation is coming at the right side.
Oh, okay.
I will add some more capabilities. Let me add all these capabilities. Okay. UID, I'll add all the capabilities. I'll give the name afterward. I'll give this platform name. I will add this platform version, then the app package.
Add activity.
And the app activities. So UID, from where I will get the UID, you have to give ADB device. Okay.
Sir, is that just local command prompt or Node.js?
Local command prompt.
Okay, good.
So to give ADB devices, this is the device name. I'll be adding here itself. ADB, this is the UID.
UUID means emulator name.
Yeah.
Okay.
So every emulator, every device has unique name. That is a UID. Okay. I can change the device name, but I cannot change this UID.
Okay.
So I have to give the platform name, platform version, and app packages. Okay. So let me go to my this part. The platform name. What is the platform name? It is an Android, right?
Yes.
So I will provide my platform name as Android. And my platform version, what is my version? I can check here
I
itself.
think it's 11 maybe. Yeah, Android 11.
So I will give here 11. Okay. And the app package, these two are important. These app package means the particular app in which we have to perform the action, in which we have to launch an application, the particular application detail. This is the app activity. The second one, these two details we have to get it from the app, from the particular application. Okay. So for me, let me check here what application I can launch. So let me launch this camera application. Okay. So let me like this. Okay. So this camera will get launched. For that, what I have to do, I have to give the details of package and app activity. So there are two ways to get it. One way is that from the Play Store, you can download some apps which will provide you app package and app activity.
Okay.
So the one of the app name is APK Info.
Okay.
And the second way is that using ADB commands. Okay.
Okay.
So for ADB commands, how we do it? I have this command. Okay. This is the command ADB cell dump sys window grab e minus current focus. Current focus means I have to open this app, then only it will show the current focus. Okay, one app is get opened, and I will copy this part. And in terminal, I will what I'll do, I'll paste here. Just a second, some issues. ADB cell DMPYS window grab E minus current focus. Okay, cool. Pipe code control. Yeah. So as you can see, this is my package name. The first one will be the package name, and the second name will be my activity. Okay.
Okay.
Activity is camera launcher. Okay. So what I will do, I'll copy this, and same I will paste in my Appium capabilities. Here I'll paste it. And the last one is, I'll go here and I'll copy this part. Okay, what I can do, I can save it.
Okay.
I can save it. I can name it like something related to my app, camera launcher.
So where it will save, sir?
It will save in Appium server itself.
Okay. So how to open that saved capabilities?
I'll open it. Let me save it. Okay. So this is got saved. Okay. Where you can see this? Here you
Oh,
can see
saved capabilities.
this
Okay.
camera launcher is got saved. This is my
Okay.
I have saved some previous details, so it is showing other capabilities also.
Okay,
Okay.
got it.
Now let me what we have to do now, we have to start the session. So what I'll do, I'll close this camera app also. I have closed this part also. Now I'll launch it. Okay. When I'll click on start session, you can see there will be some command is coming on in Appium server, and the app will launch it. It will launch app. See, it has launched the app. Are you able to see it?
Yes, sir.
And you can see same here. You are can you able to see the same app images, the camera images in my this Appium UI
Uh-huh.
at the left side? Are you able to see it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what we have done, we have launched the application, and same it is coming in our Appium server itself also. Okay. So
Okay.
this way we can identify the locators. Now we can identify the locators of a particular screen using Appium UI locator.
Okay.
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 So let's suppose if I'll click on this font, remember this text, this is a text box, right? These all are the web elements. These are all the mobile elements, not the mobile. These are the mobile elements. Are you able
Okay.
to see? I can highlight any one of them. See,
Yeah. Yeah.
see. If I click on this, remember photo location. So
Mhm.
at the right side, you are able to see some details, some element details.
Oh, okay.
Are you able to see it?
Yes, sir.
So these are all the details which we need to take action on particular element. So
Okay.
let's suppose we have to click, or we have to check that this text box is present or not. We have some scenario where we have to check this is a text box is present. This is a text which we have to assert. We have to verify that this text is present in our while we launch a camera app. So what we have to do, we have to take the XPath, and we have to using the locator's help, we can assert the particular text. Okay. It means that we are comparing expected result with the expected result with the actual results.
Okay.
Okay. Or you also can see that this is the package name also here. This is the element ID. Okay. This is the index. You can see other details also. Scorer label selected. All these are false only. Enable is true. Clickable false. This is not clickable. Then it's showing false. It is not a checkbox. Then it is showing false. Okay. And you can see the XPath also. They are making some absolute. The absolute means the XPath from root. This is the full XPath they are showing also.
Okay.
And here also you can see the element details, how it is coming from where till all the details will come here at the left side. You can see, right? Everything you are able to see here.
Okay.
So now we have to take the XPath of this. Now the purpose of this to tell how to we can locate the elements. If you want to click on next, we can see this. There is some different ID for next. There will be some XPath for next. The other details are highlighting here. See, it has the text box next. You can click on this checkbox also. So it will
Okay.
show all the details here itself. Any elements, you can check this image also. You can verify that image should present. Okay, so all the details will be present at the right side.
Okay.
Any doubt here?
So yeah, these values where we can use not expert ID. Down we have values, right? Yeah, this all false values are true. Some of them are true. These
No, no, no,
bonds.
no.
Where,
So these are the certain standards in Android where they have given, where they have put all the details. They have entered this. This is enabled. Yes. This is clickable. No. This image is not clickable. This checked. This is checked. This is false. This is scrollable. No. This given false. They have displayed. Yes. This is
okay.
displaying a true. These are all the details. These all everything is fitted by a Android developer. So we
Okay.
don't have to worry all these details. We have to worry
Okay.
about the XPath, ID, or the locators which we are giving. We have to
Okay.
check that detail and we have to perform action in our script.
Okay. So here I have one more doubt, sir.
Yeah.
In web application, the XPath will show if we download the Crow path, then only we can able to see the XPath. So here don't need to anything like download.
No, no, no. Here we
It's
don't need,
automatic.
no, we don't need to download ProPath. That is for web application, but that is also used sometimes. As I told you earlier, also there are two. There are native apps also. There are hybrid app also, and there are WebView app also. WebView app is something like that. You have clicked on Chrome browser, Chrome mobile
Huh?
browser. It opened some page, that Google page. That is a that is handled using WebView. Okay, that is all. The entire page is a web view. Then at that time we have to interconnect our this mobile web path with the Chrome. At that time you can use Chrome path.
Got it.
The other way is also the second way. As you can see here also, there will be some way to handle it also. Hmm, not showing here itself also. Okay, action. Okay. So the could tab, back, refresh, start recording, search for element also is there. Yes, okay. So if you want to quit this inspector, you can close it using this. This will get quit. This. And also you can close this also.
So if we click start session means it the different screen will come, right, sir?
Yeah.
Another
Same.
okay, got it.
So what you have to do when you have to, so this is just I have explained you how we are launching an application. This is the way, but all this stuff we will be able to do via code. Now I am showing how we can perform it using Appium server. These are all the things we have to do from our script, not from Appium server. This is one of the first step to launch an application via Appium server.
Okay.
Okay.
So previously we did same thing, right, sir?
Previously we did it from script. We had done it, but now I have told you how we can do the same thing from Appium server also.
Okay.
You got it, or any doubt here?
Little confusion, sir.
Yeah, please.
Previously also we did that search button. We click that one. This screen will come, and in that desired capabilities we will add capabilities, right?
Yes.
But
Yes.
now also you are doing same thing.
Yes. Same thing.
Okay.
Exactly same thing.
Okay.
So
Okay.
yes. So let me explain it also. Previously, as let me show you that previous command also. There was a one Appium demo. Here I given you the about told you how we can run our script through Appium through script. Okay. Here I told you. Let me this new window. Okay, this is the setup I told you how we can launch an application using Java code itself. Okay, using public static void main.
Okay. So this is we are doing automation, automatic, right?
Ha. This is we are
Okay.
doing automatic. Actually we are doing the same thing which we are doing in APM, right? I told you here itself also. No, let me show
Mm-hmm.
this. Let me show you this screen. Let me minimize this and let me open this APM server. See, the same thing which we were doing in script, the same thing I have done here itself. I have given all those details. If I click on this camera launcher,
Mm-hmm.
I'll edit this part. See, the same thing I have done here also. Here I have written in a device in, let me scroll.
Now I got it, sir. That is a manual we are doing here. Automate that opening the camera tab.
Yeah, yeah,
Is
yeah.
that
So here, what the same thing we have done. We have added all the stuff which are we have added in the script. The same thing. In this also launch an application. This also launch application.
okay?
But that time I show you the demo how we can run through a script. So this is a proper class. So that I am telling you from the scratch level,
Okay,
from
got
the
it.
beginning. Then after that only I will move to a code part.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So see, as you can see in the right side, this is coming in JSON.
Yes, JSON format.
So yeah, so that is why when I say you said earlier also, what command we will write in our we will write in what are the Java commands we will write, it will convert it into a JSON format using JSON wire protocol. Okay, the same thing happening here. That commands which we are providing, it is formulating into a JSON format. This is the JSON format which is understandable by a APM server.
Okay. So here one more doubt, sir. Now we are doing like access the camera, right?
Yeah.
So if we want to do access the Google Maps, then we have to do separately again that device name, UUID, and
Yeah.
everything we have to give.
No. Device name will be same only, right? See, Google Map.
But
This.
no,
Hmm.
device name is same only, but we
Ha.
have to give separately that
These two.
only
These two.
app package and app
Active.
activity.
How we can keep that? See, now what I will do, I will close this camera application. Let me close this part also. It is not closing. Why? Hmm. Again, this is not working. Let me open this map wala. Okay, this is the my Google Map. Again, this is not working. This stopped working. Let me again close this. Let me open this. Tools, Android, AD Manager, Excel. Yeah, see this Google Map is launched, right? So what I have to do, I have to do this adb command. So now you can see this Google Map package is coming, right? And the Google Map activity is coming. Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what we have to do, we have to copy this and we have to go back to our APM server here only. And now we can give a separate package. We can add a separate, or if you want to add it in the same, we can edit it here also. So let's suppose I pasted here this one, and the app activity also I can paste. It should be maps. Okay, I will save this part also. I will start session. So you see, you will see that the map will get launched.
Okay.
All right, and now we can perform action on this. See, this all the element detail will come at the right side.
Okay, got it.
We can close this also. Look at this. Okay, so for today, I think this much is enough. Now, what I will do, let me first stop this recording.